A woman hiccuped for an astonishing 68 years, racking up around 430 million hiccups before they mysteriously stopped. Imagine living through that. This bizarre and relentless condition began in 1922 when 27-year-old Charles Osborne started hiccuping while weighing a hog. Despite endless medical consultations, nothing seemed to cure him. It wasn't until 1990 that his hiccups inexplicably ceased, leaving doctors baffled. Throughout this extraordinary ordeal, Charles managed to live a relatively normal life, even marrying twice and fathering 8 children. How would you cope with a never-ending hiccup marathon?